The first thing we did was to walk to Fairy Meadows to meet the designers. We spent an afternoon in the woods making clay buckets out to get us thinking about the kinds of things children like to play on.
Now, don't think this is strange, but it was the start of an amazing experience that we're really glad to be part of. Ever since that first day, we have been involved in the creation of this wonderful new playground.
After our hands got totally messy, trust me it was, we all paired up to design a new piece of equipment. My friend Izzy and I made a sand pit that we could turn into a million different things.
We had a giant hammock out of nets, seesaws out of wood, which didn't go as planned, and swings out of a giant kitchen rail.
The work was very serious. My group made a tunnel that could head into any creative world where your imagination could go wild.
All in all, it was the type of work that children dreamed of. With thanks to the team, we made the first steps into turning our ideas into a play park.
Thank you.
Matthew's team.
A few months passed, and the next time we visited Fairy Meadows, it was midsummer.
The designer and builders had taken our ideas and had created a pop-up play area.
We were invited to be the first on it to test it out. Another terrible job. The design team to work out if any safety changes were needed. The test was successful. A pop-up play was used all of last summer, and some of the pieces from it have been used in the Otter Playground. The most exciting piece of pop-up play was a water tunnel, which was surrounded by rocks. If you pumped the lever, the water flowed faster and faster down the tunnel.
We all like pulling the handle from the dam to let all the water out.
Well done.
Clearly the designers have been working hard over the winter months. The last time we visited was in February this year. This time we attended a site meeting and planning meeting. The Otter Playground was ready to build in the area next to the cafe.
In our meeting, we looked at the design area. Then, using clay, tissue paper and card, we built our own designs.
After that, we were showed the actual area that the playground was going to be built on. In fact, the builders had already made a start because the land had been cleared and work was underway quickly. Everything that we had done so far was coming together as the final playground.
We are really pleased to be part of this park's design.
The whole project has been great because we have been really involved in designing and making decisions throughout the last year or more while having fun.
I liked being able to give designers our ideas of what to put in the park, as well as getting to play in their ideas too.
First it was experimenting, building and testing and playing. Then we designed and modelled. All the while we feel like we've been helping, sharing our ideas and having fun.
We've learnt a lot about the process of making something as big as a park. All the meetings and planning has been a new experience for us.
With a great ending, what came from little ideas is now a park that everyone can play in.
Thank you for letting us join in. We've had a great time.
Thank you very much, and thank you everyone for coming today. This is really what it's all about, those smiling, happy faces. Steve, our ranger over there, and I have been delighted to work on this project. with the children, with Adam and Andre, with Joe from our design team and our construction team, and sorry. Okay, we've got some goodie bags that we want to give out to you. They're going to be given to you. They're going to be given out by our Vice Chairman, Deputy Chairman of our Board of Trustees, Colin Prosser, who I'll hand over to, and I'm going to ask Karen to bring across goodie bags and certificates for the children. But on behalf of everyone here, thank you so much for being a big part of this project.
Just to finish from me,